Hello everyone, we have good news for you. Now we are launching our new website of Science Quiz Explorer TV. Now you can find tests, tutorials, exams and more relevant videos on our website. We also remind that we have other platforms like WhatsApp channel and YouTube channel. We are called Science Quiz Explorer TV. Just watch this video to see what we offer and how to navigate our website. Welcome.